In this video, I'm going to be talking about a tool that I've been using now for almost 6 months called Wispr Flow. Wispr Flow is a dictation software allowing you to have a quick button or hotkey on your keyboard or your mouse and start talking. And instead of having to type everything out, you're able to just say what you're wanting to put in the chat box and you're good to go. This has changed the game for me in terms of working with my AI tools. So here is Wispr Flow. I have a link down below where you can get a free month to check it out, but I promise you will not regret it. So here we are in Claude, and you can see I can start a conversation with Claude, and then I can just hold down a button on my mouse that I've already set up as the hotkey, and then just start talking. Hey Claude, today I'm working on a new video for my YouTube channel, and I'm actually recording it right now, and I'm demoing how to use the tool Wispr Flow. No, actually, I am showing them right now how to use the tool. Just want to utilize this voice to text to show them how it works. I let go of that, and as you can see, instead of typing all of that to Claude, it just cleans it up and then puts in the text that I spoke into the audio input. This works on desktop. This works on mobile. It's really neat on iPhone when I can be on a walk and then just swipe over, utilize the keyboard from Wispr Flow, and then just start talking, as opposed to having to just finger type everything in. It's a great tool to use. So as you can see, this is the interface here on my Mac. Lets me know all the things that I've dictated today. Lets me know how many words per minute. This one's a cool one to look at. If you know that you're a really quick typer, which I am, you can see that you speak however many words per minute, and then compare that to what you type, and then you'll see kind of how much time you're saving. A couple of things I want to show you is the insights here, letting you know kind of the words per minute, the different fixes that they've made. So as you heard as I was speaking, I made a mistake, and I said, oh no, actually this, and it fixed it for me. So instead of having to go back and remove that, Wispr Flow uses the AI dictation feature, and it goes in and cleans everything up. Lets you know the different types of usage that it's being used for. And then right here under dictionary, you can see that it allows you to go in and add different things that it may not be familiar with, like an email address or a name or a shorthand like BTW. You want it to go ahead and type out the full by the way. But the coolest feature, in my opinion, is the snippets. So snippets will allow you to save anything that you type often, like an email, a link to your YouTube channel, a link to your socials, whatever it may be. You just say the word or the phrase, like my LinkedIn, and then it will go ahead and put in that. So as you can see here, if I go and I start a dictation with Wispr Flow and I say the words podcast link, and then I let it go, it will automatically put in the link to my podcast. Now that is a really neat feature. So again, these are called snippets, and you can share them with your team if you're working with a team, and then you can have individual ones for your personal use, right? Another one I use all the time is for a YouTube video thumbnail idea, kind of ideation, and I have a big paragraph that I normally type. The words that I use, or the snippet that I use, is YouTube thumbnail prompt, and it automatically types that prompt out for me. So it's a really cool shorthand way of utilizing your voice to type something that would otherwise take a lot longer. Underneath style, you can change whether you want your style to be more formal, more casual, which is caps, less punctuation, or very casual. You decide which one of these you want to use. Under work messages, these are more in, say, Slack or Discord or whatever it may be. You can actually differentiate the different tones for work and personal. You can also choose for email and other, as well as auto cleanup. Now, auto cleanup, this is where you decide how much you want Wispr Flow to edit the text that you're speaking into it. So again, you can have that set to light, medium, high, or none. I've chosen light right now, but I'm playing around with it to see if I want to adjust that. Transforms, this is the ability to set up other keyboard shortcuts like I have set up here. And if I press the Option in 1 key, it will polish the text. If I hit the Option 2 key, it will give me a prompt engineer where it constructs kind of optimal prompts, and then I can create my own keyboard shortcuts here. And the more I play with it, the more I'll see how that works. But I think for me, the best use case has definitely been with AI tools because there's a lot of conversations and back and forth, especially if you're using like Claude Code or you're using Codex for ChatGPT. Being able to go in and just say what you want to do within the AI tool is way better than having to type all of that out. And Wispr Flow allows you to do it in a nice formatted way that's cleaned up and sounds normal and not just a bunch of gibberish like you would get with, say, Apple's Dictation native tool or whatever it may be. Use my link to get a free month, and I promise you will not regret it. If you already use Wispr Flow, let me know what your use cases are. I'd love to implement those in my workflow as well. There'll be some frequently asked questions down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.